Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry 2 types of mushrooms. Hope you like it. This recipe has the old-school flavor we ate when we were kids, with rich dried shrimp and mushroom flavors. It's delicious. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: oyster mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, ginger, dried shrimps. Dried shrimp wash and set aside. Wash and sliced shiitake mushrooms. Wash and chopped ginger. Wash and squeeze dry oyster mushroom, then tear into small pieces. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add fried shrimps and stir-fry. Add also sakura dried shrimp. Add mushroom slices once dried shrimp has released fragrance. Add oyster mushrooms. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon water. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder to enhance the flavor. Stir fry for another minute. Plate mushrooms. Let's eat. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.